Ever wondered if you could just grab some Bitcoin with your Kraken wallet? It's a question a lot of people are asking, especially with all the buzz around crypto. Maybe you're new to the whole crypto scene, or maybe you're already familiar with Kraken as an exchange and you're just curious about their wallet. Either way, you're in the right place. Because today, we're diving deep into the Kraken wallet and answering the burning question, can you buy Bitcoin directly with it? Now, before we jump into the specifics, let's clear up a common misconception. A lot of people confuse crypto exchanges with crypto wallets. They're related, but they serve different purposes. Think of it like this: an exchange is like a currency exchange booth at the airport. You go there to buy and sell different currencies. A wallet, on the other hand, is like your actual physical wallet or a digital bank account where you store your cash. In the crypto world, an exchange is where you buy, sell, and trade cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, while a wallet is where you store those cryptocurrencies. So, where does Kraken fit into this picture? Kraken is primarily known as a cryptocurrency exchange. It's a platform where you can buy, sell, and trade a wide variety of cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin. They've been around for a while now, and they've built a reputation as a reliable and secure platform. But they also offer a wallet. And that's where things get interesting. The Kraken wallet is a self-custody wallet. This is a crucial point, and we need to understand what it means. With a self-custody wallet, you are in control of your private keys. Think of your private keys as the password to your crypto fortune. They're what give you access to your Bitcoin. If you lose them, you lose your Bitcoin. That's why self-custody is so important. It puts you in the driver's seat. No third party, not even Kraken, can access your funds without those keys. Now, back to our original question, can you buy Bitcoin directly with the Kraken wallet? The short answer is no, not directly. The Kraken wallet is primarily designed for storing, sending, and receiving cryptocurrencies. It's not integrated with the Kraken exchange in a way that allows you to directly purchase Bitcoin within the wallet interface itself. So, how do you get Bitcoin into your Kraken wallet? That's where the Kraken exchange comes in. You first need to buy Bitcoin on the Kraken exchange. You can do this by depositing fiat currency, like US dollars or euros, into your Kraken exchange account. Once you have funds in your account, you can then buy Bitcoin at the current market price. After you've purchased Bitcoin on the Kraken exchange, you can then transfer it to your Kraken wallet. This is where the wallet comes into play. You'll generate a unique address within your Kraken wallet specifically for receiving Bitcoin. This address is like a bank account number for your Bitcoin. You then use this address on the Kraken exchange to initiate the withdrawal of your Bitcoin from the exchange to your wallet. This process might sound a bit complicated at first, but it's actually quite straightforward once you get the hang of it. Think of it like buying something online and then having it shipped to your home. The exchange is like the online store where you make the purchase, and the wallet is like your home where you receive the package. Now, why would you want to transfer your Bitcoin from the Kraken exchange to your Kraken wallet? There are several reasons. The most important reason is security. While Kraken is a reputable exchange, it's generally considered best practice to store your cryptocurrencies in a self-custody wallet. Remember, with a self-custody wallet, you control the private keys. This significantly reduces the risk of your Bitcoin being hacked or stolen. It's like keeping your cash at home in a safe instead of leaving it at the bank. While banks are generally safe, keeping your cash at home gives you that extra layer of control and security. Another reason to use a wallet is for greater control over your funds. When your Bitcoin is on an exchange, you're essentially entrusting it to the exchange. While reputable exchanges like Kraken have security measures in place, you don't have direct control over your Bitcoin. With a wallet, you're in complete control. You can send and receive Bitcoin whenever you want, without having to rely on the exchange. So, to summarize, you can't directly buy Bitcoin with the Kraken wallet, but you can definitely use the Kraken wallet to store Bitcoin that you've purchased on the Kraken exchange. The process involves buying Bitcoin on the Kraken exchange and then transferring it to your Kraken wallet. This gives you greater security and control over your Bitcoin. Now, let's touch on a few other important aspects of the Kraken Wallet. It's a non-custodial wallet, which, as we discussed, means you own your private keys. This is paramount for security. It's also a multi-currency wallet, meaning you can store other cryptocurrencies besides Bitcoin in it. This is convenient if you're interested in diversifying your crypto portfolio. The Kraken Wallet is also designed to be user-friendly, with a simple and intuitive interface. This makes it a good option for both beginners and experienced crypto users. One thing to keep in mind is that the Kraken Wallet is a separate product from the Kraken Exchange. You'll need to download the Kraken Wallet app separately. It's available for both iOS and Android devices. Once you've downloaded the app, you'll need to set up your wallet and generate your private keys. This is a crucial step, and you need to make sure you store your private keys securely. Never share your private keys with anyone. If you lose them, you'll lose access to your Bitcoin. So, can you buy Bitcoin with Kraken Wallet? No, not directly. But can you use Kraken Wallet to securely store Bitcoin you buy on the Kraken Exchange? Absolutely. And that's the key takeaway here. The Kraken Wallet is a secure and convenient way to manage your Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies, especially when used in conjunction with the Kraken Exchange. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.